Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can convert any PowerPoint presentation into a PDF file. Now, for reference, I will be using a sample PowerPoint presentation which I have right here. As you can see that this is a particular PowerPoint presentation and I am going to convert it into its equivalent PDF. Now, to convert it into a PDF file, we will be using an online tool. One such online tool is I Love PDF. To access it, simply go to any browser of your choice and in the search bar simply type for I love PDF. Now this site will appear. You need to click on the link and when you will enter the home page, you need to find for the PowerPoint to PDF conversion button. As you can see, this button right here. Then it will ask you for a prompt to select the PowerPoint file that you want to convert. Simply navigate it and select the file. Then you can see the convert to PDF button right here. Simply click on this button and your conversion will take place. Just wait for the conversion to take place and it will give you the download PDF button. Click on it and your file will be downloaded. As you can see that my PPT file has been successfully converted to a PDF file. Now that's it for this particular video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.